You got love marriage?
Love marriage, yes, yes.
Yeah, I found it. Your
Not
husband
arranged.
from Himachal.
Yes, yes. Okay, so my name's Bhagavati, by the way. What's your name?
Bhagavati, you are from India?
I'm from England, but I live in India 27 years.
Oh, which part in India you are living?
Now I'm in Goa,
Goa, okay.
but my husband's from Himachal
Oh,
Pradesh. So I lived a long time there in Himachal,
okay.
and I always go back. Apart from COVID, this year I don't go, but usually I go to the Himalayas as well. Where are you from?
I am from India, Andhra Pradesh state.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Oh, you've had bad
You know?
weather.
Yes.
Oh, have you been affected?
What?
There's been a lot of rain in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes. Yes. But today it is very good. It is sunny.
Okay, okay. And you didn't have a problem? You didn't have flooding?
Yes. You don't have any problem in my place. I am living in village.
Okay.
My place it is no problem.
Okay, good, good, good. I'm happy to hear that.
You got love marriage?
Love marriage, yes, yes.
Yeah. I found it. Your
Not
husband
arranged.
from Himachal.
Yes, yes. Now I'm talking to you. But
Okay.
usually I teach Cambly, paint.
Okay.
My business, she's 25.
Okay.
What do you do?
I am a housewife. I have a one baby girl.
Mm-hmm. How old is your baby girl?
Are you? I cannot see you now.
I think it's the end. Are you on
Yes.
phone?
Yes. Yes.
It's probably internet.
Yes. My baby is 3 years old now.
Yes. You have one.
Yes, I have only one child now.
Beautiful.
Tell me about you. You are from Himachal Pradesh.
My husband is from Himachal Pradesh.
You got love marriage?
Yes, we had a love marriage. Yes, it was not an arranged marriage. We met in
Oh, I am so excited.
we met in Hampi in Connecticut. We were both on holiday and sightseeing.
Okay.
And we saw each other each day. It was like, oh, hello, it's you again. Hi. And got to know each other.
Oh.
And we enjoyed being together. I was happy to move to the Himalayas. Very beautiful.
Yes. You see Himalayas?
Yes, I lived a long time.
Yeah, it's very
10 years in the Himalayas.
Oh.
Have you been to the Himalayas?
And see.
You should
go. I have a dream to see.
You should go.
Sure. I am so excited to see.
And have you been to Goa?
No, I want to see Goa.
Yes.
It's very beautiful place.
Very beautiful. And it's close from Hyderabad. It's very close.
Oh, it's near.
Near. I mean, it's near like Bangalore or Bombay.
Okay.
I think 12 hours you'd be here.
Goa, yes. Goa have very beautiful long beach.
Yes.
I think
we have many beaches. A lot of palm trees, beautiful flowers, mangoes, lots of fruit trees, cashew trees, many cashew trees. Very nice.
Okay.
Peacocks, monkeys.
Oh, I love peacocks.
Yes. Do you have peacocks there?
No, I have only small trees in my garden.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we have peacock. We hear them all the time and often see them. They're very noisy. They're
Okay.
very beautiful and very noisy.
Yes, I want to see.
So why do you want to learn English?
I want to improve my English, speaking English.
And why? Any reason?
Why? Because yes, I want to teach children here. I have a church here.
Mm-hmm.
My husband is a
Mm-hmm.
pastor,
Okay.
and also I want to do master's degree.
Okay.
This practice will help to my higher studies, like preparation of IELTS.
Yes. Yeah. What do you want to take your masters in?
I completed here my engineering here
Mm-hmm.
in electronics department.
Cool. Good. So
After my studies, I got married.
you stopped?
Yes, I stopped studying and work, but completely I work for my family now.
And with your family,
Yes,
mother
I,
at home,
yes,
yes, isn't
yes, yes,
cleaning, keeping busy,
yes,
educating your child is
yes,
uh,
yes. I am full. Yes, I am fully busy with my baby.
it's to be with your children.
Yes, yeah. You have how many children?
One daughter.
One
Yes,
daughter. Oh, you have also daughter.
she's 5.
She's 29.
5.
25.
Yeah.
I'm 26.
I'm losing. Hello.
Okay. Where is
Right now, Europe.
Europe? Okay.
Yeah, she went in to Europe. She's studying German, but she will work in December. She will work in the resort.
Okay.
I hope. It's big problem with the coronavirus.
Yes.
It's
But
difficult.
any there?
Oh, many cases. Yes. Yes. And we have a lot of people come here. Oh,